of spraying chemicals every time mosquitoes and garden pests show up? The good news is your border plants can do more than just look beautiful. They can actually help reduce pest pressure naturally. Here are 7 border companion plants that add color, structure, and a subtle protective layer to your garden. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most dependable border companion plants you can grow when you want beauty and natural pest resistance working side by side. Its silvery foliage and soft purple flower spikes create a clean, structured edge along sunny borders, pathways, and patio beds. As a companion plant, it doesn't just bring fragrance and color, it actively contributes to a healthier garden environment. Lavender works so well along borders because of its naturally high concentration of aromatic oils like linalool, which mosquitoes, flies, and moths tend to avoid. While it won't eliminate insects entirely, planting lavender along the edge of garden beds or near outdoor seating areas can help reduce pest pressure naturally. When warmed by the sun or lightly brushed against, its scent intensifies, strengthening that subtle protective effect along the border. In the landscape, place lavender toward the front or middle of a sunny border with excellent drainage and good airflow. It pairs beautifully with roses, salvia, echinacea, and ornamental grasses, creating a layered planting that feels both structured and relaxed. Once established, it requires minimal watering, making it a long-lasting, low-maintenance companion that supports a vibrant and more pest-resistant garden edge. Number 2. Catmint. Catmint is one of the most effective and easygoing border companion plants for reducing mosquito pressure naturally. Its soft gray-green foliage and waves of lavender-blue flowers create a relaxed, flowing edge along sunny beds and walkways. As a border plant, it blends effortlessly with roses, salvias, and ornamental grasses while quietly contributing to a more balanced garden ecosystem. Catmint contains a compound called nipetolactone, which mosquitoes tend to avoid. While it's not a replacement for personal repellent, planting catmint along garden edges and near seating areas can help reduce insect activity around those spaces. Its foliage releases more fragrance when warmed by the sun or lightly brushed, reinforcing its subtle protective presence along the border. In the landscape, position catmint toward the front or middle of a sunny border where it can spill gently over edging or soften hard lines. It's drought-tolerant once established, blooms for an extended period, and benefits from a light trim after flowering to encourage fresh growth. As a companion plant, it supports nearby perennials while helping keep the border lively and less inviting to pests. Number 3. Rosemary. Rosemary is a powerful aromatic border companion that combines structure, fragrance, and natural pest deterrence. Its needle-like evergreen foliage forms tidy mounds or low hedging along sunny borders, giving gardens a Mediterranean feel. Beyond its culinary value, rosemary functions as a living scent barrier when planted along pathways or near patios. The strong aroma of rosemary, especially when warmed by heat or lightly disturbed, can help deter mosquitoes, cabbage moths, and certain flying insects. Its essential oils make the surrounding air less attractive to pests, particularly in hot, dry conditions where rosemary thrives. As part of a border planting, it helps create a natural buffer zone, rather than relying solely on sprays. In the garden, place rosemary along the sunniest edge of your border where soil drains well. It pairs beautifully with lavender, thyme, and ornamental alliums, forming a cohesive and functional companion planting. Once established, it requires minimal watering and little maintenance, making it both a decorative and practical addition to pest-conscious border designs. Number 4. Marigold. Marigold is one of the most classic border companion plants for natural pest management. Its bright orange and yellow blooms create a cheerful, high-impact edge along garden beds, vegetable plots, and flower borders. As a companion plant, Marigold doesn't just add color, it actively supports the surrounding plants by helping reduce pest pressure both above and below the soil. Marigolds contain compounds like thiophene that can help deter nematodes in the soil, along with aphids and whiteflies above ground. While they won't eliminate infestations entirely, planting marigolds along the front edge of borders or weaving them between other perennials creates a protective layer that makes the environment less attractive to certain pests. Their strong scent also contributes to that deterrent effect. In the landscape, use marigolds at the front of borders or as edging near vegetables and tender annuals. They pair well with tomatoes, peppers, and even ornamental perennials, acting as a colorful and functional companion. Easy to grow from seed and thriving in full sun, marigolds offer one of the simplest ways to strengthen a pest-conscious border design. Number 5. Allium Millennium. Allium Millennium brings structure and subtle pest deterrents to garden borders. Its upright stems and round, rosy purple flower clusters add strong vertical accents in midsummer, making it a strong mid-border companion plant. Even when not in bloom, its knightly clump of narrow foliage contributes to a neat and intentional planting layout. As a member of the onion family, allium foliage carries a mild onion-like scent that can help discourage aphids and certain beetles. While the effect is subtle rather than dramatic, incorporating alliums into border plantings helps diversify scent profiles in the garden, which can reduce concentrated pest activity. They work especially well when interplanted with roses or other perennials that commonly attract insects. In the landscape, place Allium Millennium toward the middle of a sunny border where its upright habit can rise between softer plants like Catmint or Lavender. It's drought-tolerant once established and requires very little maintenance, making it a practical structural companion in borders designed for both beauty and natural pest balance. Number 6. Basil. Basil is more than just a kitchen herb. It's a highly practical border companion plant, especially near patios and walkways. Its lush green foliage forms tidy mounds that fit beautifully along the front of sunny borders or in mixed herb flower edges. As a companion plant, basil adds texture and fragrance while supporting nearby plants with its strong aromatic presence. Basil's essential oils are known to help deter mosquitoes and flies, particularly when planted close to seeding areas or entry points. While it won't create a mosquito-free zone, clustering basil along border edges can help reduce insect activity where people gather. The scent becomes stronger when the leaves are brushed or warmed by the sun, reinforcing its natural deterrent qualities. In the landscape, use basil in the front of sunny borders, especially near outdoor living spaces. It pairs well with marigolds, tomatoes, peppers, and even ornamental perennials, blending beauty and function. As an annual, it's easy to refresh each season, making it a flexible and effective addition to pest-conscious border designs. Number 7. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum is a bold flowering border plant with powerful natural insect-deterring properties. Its dense blooms add vibrant late-season color along the front or middle of borders, extending visual interest well into fall. As a companion plant, chrysanthemums contribute both ornamental impact and subtle pest management benefits. Chrysanthemums naturally contain pyrethrin, a compound used in many botanical insecticides. While the living plant won't act like a spray, its presence can help discourage certain insects, such as ants, ticks, and beetles. Incorporating mums into border plantings adds another layer of scent and plant diversity that can help reduce concentrated pest pressure. In the garden, place chrysanthemums in sunny border positions where their late-season blooms can fill gaps left by fading summer flowers. They combine well with ornamental grasses, sedum, and other fall perennials, helping maintain color and structure while supporting a more balanced and resilient garden edge. When you design your borders with purpose, beauty and function can work together. By layering aromatic and pest-deterring companions into your planting beds, you create a garden that feels vibrant and more balanced without relying on harsh sprays. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and tell me which companion plant you'll be adding to your border this season.